Hello there. Bit of a different video today. I've come to ask you guys for some help, and that might be a little weird for me and you because you don't even know what I'm going to ask you about yet. I've had this idea of wanting to start a new hobby in like video podcast playing around for a while now, and that probably doesn't surprise you guys because I seem to, for some reason, keep turning on the record button on this thing and, recording videos and stuff like that. I'm not really doing it with any understanding of why, except it seems to be a bit of a fun hobby and I just want to turn that up a notch, I guess. And so I'm asking you guys that have been watching me for a while, what you think I should maybe do a video style podcast about. I don't want to just do a podcast that's audio. I think I want to do video. I think I like the in front of camera stuff. And then I think I would have started one about my running and streak running by now, except the Eat Sleep Run Repeat podcast guys. I stumbled across them and I thought, I didn't want to look like I was copying them or emulating them, and I think I also, and that's a great podcast, listen to every one of them. Go check them out, they're awesome. I also wanted to be a bit more broad than that, and then I don't know if I should be broad or niche. They say that, you got to be in the niche. I like the idea of chasing things in life that make us a better human. So whether it's, what we eat mentally, the exercise, maybe it should just be about my run streak. Maybe you guys have got an idea for me that I haven't thought of about what it should be about. I like the idea of chatting to, some of the, this great connection of people I have that are great runners, much better than me. And, the Clives and the Carl, the never-ending names out of the Moreton Bay Road runners that I've come across, the Bush Turkey guys. Maybe I want to chat to just my run buddies. Maybe I want to chat to the Shanes and the Beths and the, Lise, of course, BZ, number one guy I run with the most. Maybe I want to chat to people about how to start a podcast, how to get video going. And maybe I want to talk to the Laurens, Jameses, the Ronsleys and see what they've got to, help and say about where I could head off next. What do you guys think? Maybe you're a tech guy. Maybe you're a guy that loves the idea of editing and filming and you don't want to be this side of that. And you're like, hey, this guy might need some help. Reach out to me. I don't know what you guys know. I don't know where your interests are. And you might have a red hot idea for me. So send it my way. I'd love to put it out there that's what I'm trying to push forward in a new hobby. And maybe in a year's time, I can look back at this video and point out this was the inception where somebody, commented or somebody messaged me or someone called me and said, hey, I got an idea for you, or hey, have you thought about this? And, we're off to the races. Thanks, guys. Didn't mean to waste 3 minutes of your time. And it's one of those weird, maybe you can help. See ya.